this is the G-7700, 1979 to 1980, and it's a really good receiver. This is 120 watts, so this is really the end of the receiver wars when even a 7000 series receiver had 120 watts, because I think the high end of this, the 9900, had something like 160. So anyways, I got this from a second owner a while back on Marketplace, but this is really the entrance into digital, and the digital matches the analog tuner, and it is in fact an analog tuner, so it's the real deal, but it just gives you an analog representation. And this representation is accurate. I did check it, and the quartz lock and everything here is working perfect. This is the first time it's ever been opened, and I know it's the first time because the person who I bought it from said that they had not. But that's a pretty big transformer. It's clean. And I am going to rebias this. This is low hours. There's nothing wrong with it. So I don't expect the bias to be off much, but you know, as I start to get to some of my last few receivers to bias, I'm finding that some of these are over biased. So we'll find out what's going on with this in just a moment here. All right, the two adjustments are going to be right here and right there. That probably is for the right channel, which you're going to start with. Throw a little bit of deoxit in. This may or may not get fully in, but what that's going to do is clean the potentiometer. So let's go ahead and put this screwdriver on here, and let's see if we can get this to react. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's sensitive. So this should be at exactly 0. My gosh, is this sensitive? Maybe I should have left it alone. Okay. 3.2, that's probably about as good as we can get. It looks like it's creeping up. I'm not going to mess with it any further, but that's close enough. It was at around 19 or 20. It says 0 plus or minus 5 millivolts, so we are approximately in range now. Okay, here's the other one, and this is at 13. I'm going to just barely move this because it's very sensitive. Let's pull this down. Look at that. All it takes is just a little bit of a turn, and it's off. That is pretty darn close. Look at that. I mic dead on. So now the first adjustment, which is what they call the DC 0 volt left and right adjustment, is at plus or minus 5 millivolts. So we're done with the first part of adjusting the amp.